Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to remove everyone tags on Facebook or how to turn off everyone tag on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do is you have to click on profile. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on settings and privacy. Here you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to click on profile settings. Profile settings, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to click on notification settings. In notification settings you can easily find tags. As you can see here, you will find notification related to tags. First of all, what you have to do is you have to select notification you want tagged. You have to click on friends. If you click on friends, then here you will find everyone mentions. What you have to do is you have to turn this off. If you turn this off, then you will not be able to tag by everyone tag on anyone of your friends or anyone on Facebook. In this way you can stop anyone tag on Facebook. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.